we're going to look at ratio in the form 1 to n. Now, normally when we write ratio, we might write ratio with things like 2 to 3 or 4 to 5. And it's not a rule, but we tend to keep these numbers as whole numbers if we can. But sometimes that's inappropriate. So I'm looking at this question here with Gary Lineker. He scored 48 goals in 80 appearances, and Mick Shannon, he scored 21 goals in 46 appearances for England. This is at football. Now, what I want to know is if I could find Gary Lineker as 1 goal for every how many games, and Mick Shannon 1 goal for however many games, I would know who had the better goal scoring ratio. So in this one, Gary Lineker scored 48 goals in 80 appearances. So what I want to do is divide this 48 by 48 to get 1. So I'm also going to divide the 80 by 48, and I get 1.67 if I round it off. So what this means is that for every 1.67 games, Gary Lineker scored a goal. So what we've done there, we divided that by 48. Now that's a very, very good goal scoring ratio. Let's have a look at Mick Shannon. He's also got a good ratio. He scored 21 goals in 46 appearances. So I'm going to divide the 21 by 21 to get 1. Then I'm going to divide the 46 by 21 to get 2.19. So that means that Mick Shannon scored 1 goal for every 2.19 games played. Another very good goal scoring ratio if you follow football. So Gary Lineker has the better ratio. Let's look at another one here. I've got 2 schools in England, 2 well-known schools, and these are based roughly on data that I got from Wikipedia. So Eton has 170 staff and 1325. If you want to pause it, what I want to do is find out which one has the better staff-student ratio. So for a school, you want 1 member of staff and you want the students to be the lowest number. So if you want to pause it and have a go, or else I'll do it now. So I've got 170 to 1325. I divide this by 170 to get 1. I divide 1325 by 70 to get 170 to get 7.79, which is about what their website says. And for Harrow, 106 staff, I think this is the secondary school, and 800 students. So I'm going to divide 800 by 106. So I divide this one by 106 as well. So I've got 1 member here, and I've already done this one. It's 7.55. So which has the better staff-student ratio? You have to say that Harrow has the better staff-student ratio because it's got a lower number of students per 1 member of staff.